You guys are doing great. You're beautiful, all of you. If the sun was out, you would be able to see all sorts of colors in their feathers. That's a girl and a boy together right there. I don't see that many girls, which I was pointing that out to my husband recently. I told him that I saw more boys than I did girls. And they respect the girls too, which is beautiful too. One time I seen them move out the way so that the girl could just get through with her little babies and eat. You look beautiful.